Ria sorts it out. Written by Sonal Sher. Pictures illustrated by Balaram J. Warrier. Ria is a robo. Okay, it's a robo and it does the work of sorting out the letters coming to the post office. The letters which you drop inside the post box is sent into Ria, and Ria does a fantastic job of taking it one by one and sorting it to different places. Like if the letters go to Kerala, it goes here. All the letters that goes to Tamil Nadu will go into this. All that goes into Delhi goes here. All that goes to Andhra goes here. So she does the sorting. So all the letters are fed inside here, and when it comes down, she uses all these multiple hands for sorting the letters by the places. Every winter break, Abel posts a card to his Ammachi. That is Abel. Okay, it's Christmas time. Can you see he's wearing a Christmas cap? And there is a Christmas tree next to him. Wow, he's drawing out something. Fishes. He wants to send this picture of fishes to his Ammachi. Ammachi is your grandmother. Okay, some of you call Ammachi, some of you call Ammama, or you call Patti. Okay, so Abel wants to send it to Ammachi. And it always reaches her before New Year's Day. Today, Amma asks Abel to write the address on the card all by himself. He has learned to write numbers and alphabets also at school, like how you are learning. So, Amma asked him to write it on the envelope all by himself. But Abel was not very sure. So, he writes nervously. Somehow, he just writes. Then Amma sticks a stamp on the envelope, and Abel runs to the post office to drop it in the post box. The red post box. Do you see Abel putting it into the post box? It is Christmas Eve and Amma is cooking payasam, which is Abel's favorite sweet dish. But Abel is stomping his feet angrily. See, he is angry and he is stomping his feet. So Amma asked, Abel, what happened? So Abel starts wailing, he starts crying. The postmaster won't understand my handwriting. Ammachi will never get my card. He's worried because his handwriting was not very perfect. So he is doubting whether the post will ever reach his Ammachi. So just to pacify him, Amma takes Abel to the postmaster, Wilson. Okay, they go to the post office and Abel cries there. Wilson uncle, what if Ammachi doesn't get my card because of my handwriting? He comes. The postmaster uncle Wilson says, don't worry Abel, all the letters are sorted out by our robo Ria. That's the robo Ria. Ria reads the address, identifies the postal code and sorts each postal code into the correct pile. See, she is picking up from here and she is putting it in the right places. The letters that goes to the same place. But Abel is still not sure. He is worried. Uncle, please see if Ria has sorted out my card correctly. So postmaster uncle looks for the letter and finds it lying in the right box. Yes, you see that handwriting? Yeah, it is not all that perfect, but it is lying in the correct box. Now Amma takes one good look at the envelope. Abel's 7 looks like a 1. You know, 7 has to have a slanting line, but it is looking like a 1. So, Abel is surprised. My 7 looks different, but how did Ria get it right? So, postman uncle says, Ria sorted your card correctly because it learned by looking at the handwriting of millions of people. That is why it could understand your 7 and found it as 1. Ria knows everything. Ria is so smart, says Abel. So postman uncle was explaining it to Abel. It's because Ria keeps learning numbers, from numerous examples every day. This is called machine learning. Okay, just like how you all learn ABCD every day, Ria also learns every day. It's called machine learning. Again, Abel asked, so will Amachi get her card? So, uncle told, don't worry Abel, she'll get her card by New Year's Eve. Postmaster Wilson was right. Amachi gets the card on the New Year's Day. There she is. His grandma. She's got the card. See the fishes which he's drawn and he's written on it, Happy Xmas. When she calls Abel, she tells her all about their adventures with their amazing robot at the post office. He tells about the Robo Ria, he talks about the postman and how Robo was able to identify very clearly in spite of his messy handwriting. The end. So, Abel and grandma both are happy. When we were kids, we learnt how to write ABCD, right? Yes. Similarly, now robots are doing a lot of learning so that they can independently do all their work. So, this story was about machine learning. Can you repeat with me? Machine learning. As you grow up, you are going to see a lot of things about machine learning. It says, when we are born, there are very few things we know how to do. And as we grow up, we learn new things. Like us, computers can learn through experience and learn to do a task without being told how to do it. They know how to do it. For example, if we want the computer to tell us the difference between a cow and a cat, it needs to be shown thousands of pictures of cats and cows. So, the computer will study the pictures, each picture one by one, and soon work out for itself a way to find out and differentiate between cats and cows. Like cats are small, cows are large. That is how it learns. More pictures, more perfect understanding will be. Just like how you need to write neatly means you have to do more writing. The more writing you do, the more better your handwriting will be. Is it not? So, just like you learn, computers also learn. This is called machine learning. So, this is all about today's story narration. Hope you love the story. Bye-bye.